Hey guys, I'm Nathan Turner. Alongside me here is Dave Putz. Together, we've got more than 25 years of note investing experience. And I think you're here because you're lacking confidence in your note investing business. So you've probably taken some kind of note education. Maybe you started watching some videos, maybe you read some books, and now you're just kind of feeling stuck, kind of overwhelmed, and you're maybe a little bit lost. You're not exactly sure how to take the next step and how to get into this world of note investing that we love so much. And there's some kind of a gap here between what you've learned and the actual nuts and bolts of day-to-day operation. That's
Well
why
said.
we're here. We're going to help you get to that next level. Dave, tell us what we're doing.
Well said, Nathan. Absolutely. So some of the details of this is going to be 10 weeks of intense learning about different topics in note investing. We want to first understand who you are and our mindset, and then we're going to dive into some more things. But there will be homework. Well, that will expand on what we talked about to ensure that you actually digest everything, and then we'll review it the next week to make sure you understood it. We're also going to provide some unreleased tools and resources to ensure you'll succeed. Besides focusing on the mindset, we'll be working on bid calculations, deep dive into due diligence. We'll learn about note math, partials, and a ton more. We hope to see you there. We start September 20th, and we will see you soon.
Join us. You bet.